I lost my best friend. Anna! That's my Facebook. She's not under either bed. I don't think. Nope, she's not. She's not in the closet. She's not in the bathroom. She's not in my shower. She's not behind any of the fucking doors. She's not in my grandparents' room. She's not behind any of the curtains. She's not underneath my grandparents' bed, I don't think. Ah, son of a bitch. Nope, she's not. She's definitely not in my grandpa's closet because there's no fucking room in there. She's not in my sister's room. She's not in my room because there's nowhere for her to hide in my room. Sorry. She's not in my closet. She's not behind my couch. I don't even think she's in the fucking house anymore. Anita! She's not back here where it's fucking freezing. I lost my best friend. She's not there. She's not behind there. She's not back here unless she's in the fucking dryer. She's not in there. Anita! God! I don't know where the fuck she could be. It's locked. Where the fuck could she be? But I've lost my best friend. Yep.